Friday. It's Friday. February 19th. Wow.
Guess what?
What?
Well, our students may not get excited about that, but February 19th is a special day to me. You want to know why? Because today is my daughter's birthday.
Emily's or Mandy's?
Yes, she's turning 18 today.
Oh my gosh. How is that possible when you're so young, Miss Mata?
Oh, I'm only 21. Sheesh.
Wow. 18.
Yes. When you said February 19th, I was like, oh, wait, that's special.
That's special. That's really special.
Yes.
And for you to be so young and have an 18-year-old. My daughter's going to be 18, but you know what? I'll share that when it's that time.
It's coming up too.
Yeah. You're supposed to say, and you look so young.
You are a whippersnapper.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're even younger than I am.
That's true, boys and girls. Don't tell any different. Don't say any different. Well, Miss Mata, I know last week, woo, that was a long assembly. We had so much news that they might even be disappointed this week because I think it's really going to be a short assembly. But that's okay because
stay with us through that whole assembly because that was a lot. I think that was a record. That was almost 30 minutes, our longest assembly ever.
It was like a cartoon. Like, or after, when you'd watch TV and they were always 30 minutes. Are they still 30 minutes? I feel like everything's an hour now.
I don't know, but a lot of kids like to binge watch shows, so they watch for long and long and long and long. So maybe it didn't seem long to them.
Maybe not. You're right. And because, they love watching us, I'm sure.
Of course.
Don't tell us any different, boys and girls. Okay. Are you ready to help with the flag salute, Miss Martha, or lead us in the flag salute?
I am ready. Are you guys ready? I know you're already standing and have got your hand over your right hand over your heart. Here we go. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right. Well, thank you. Well, we're going to jump right into guess what? Are you ready? Hold on. We have to go disappear real fast. Are you ready?
I'm almost ready. Hold on.
Oh, I kind of showed it. Okay.
I'm ready.
Are you ready for some good news?
Good news.
Today's a little different though, Miss Mata, because we're not going to be sharing good news about a class.
No.
We're going to be sharing some awesome, great news about Beardsley.
Yes. Love that.
So I have some good news to share. Two things. One, good news. Every single student in TK, no, rewind. Every single student from first grade to fifth grade this week picked up their SWAN Trimester 3 math book so that they're ready to learn. Good news. And our TK and Kinder will be next week. So hold on. You're going to get your packets and your math books. And also, all of our first, second, third, and fourth graders received a brand new Chromebook. Good news. Yes, we are so excited. Thanks to the district for providing our first through fourth graders Chromebooks. Our Kinder and TK already have them, and our fifth through eighth already have them. So we are set because, boy, we know that some of those older laptops were sure a pain. Right?
Yeah.
So we are excited. Keep those laptops looking good. And many of you purchased the insurance, which is a great move. So if you haven't, make sure you come in. Make sure you come and purchase it. And I have one more piece of good news. Good news. This is good news about Miss Mata. because Miss Mata has been working so hard at getting all of our middle school students ready and prepared for what we call the LPAC test. It's the English Learner Performance Assessment.
For California.
For California. I'm like, what's the C? Duh. For California. And she has been testing our 6th, 7th, and 8th graders this week. And we'll actually finish up testing some of them today. And that is good news. You go, girl. You're right. Look, she even gave herself a shout out, which reminds me, you taught us that when you look in the mirror, you say, you go, girl. You got this. And a shout out to all of our 6th, 7th, and 8th grade students who took that test because it's virtual, you're online, and you are persevering. Good news. You go, girl, boy. You go, girl. So that is my good news. So I'm very excited to share that. But thank you.
Because I'll be moving as soon as middle school's done. I'm going to be moving into 3rd to 5th grade LPAC students. So that's coming, and that's some good news. So if you don't know, now you know.
Good news. So we're super excited. And as we shared, many of you have already received your letters in the mail. Make sure if you're in grades 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, or 8th, that's only 6th, 7th, or 8th. You ask your parents about those letters because you all will have received at least one letter, some of you two. And that little SSID number that you have on that card, you need to keep very, very, very close to you. One last thing before I turn it over is 3rd and 4th graders. 3rd and 4th. This isn't good news. Well, it's kind of good news. You have new Chromebooks. But more importantly, if you did not come pick up a Chromebook because you have your own at home, it's going to be very important that you actually do come pick up a Chromebook because you're going to need that Chromebook that's a district computer for the testing with Miss Mata and for our state testing. So make sure you tell your parents, and we will continue to tell them as well. So good news, new Chromebooks. Woo! Good news, testing success. Woo! And now we're moving on to a different segment. And it is time for Miss Mata!
Almost knocked my glasses off. I was so excited.
So exciting.
Got to keep those glasses on. I can't see without them. Okay. Yes, everybody. I want to be able to see you. It's very important. Now they look a little crooked. Okay. I will calm down so I can share as much as I can. But, you know, I do have to say you did a good job with that good news. I liked hearing you because I feel like I've been the one sharing. So great job, Mr. Merrill.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. So anyways, we have, that's right, you go, girl. So I want to share that we will be honoring students next week for, can you guess? That's right, Student of the Month. Woo!
Good news.
Good news also. We could have added it into there. We will be honoring students who have been making especially good, wise choices. So I can't wait to see who they are and announce them next week. I know your teachers have been looking to see who they're going to choose because sometimes it's difficult to choose because there are so many rock stars in all of the classes. I know I'd have a hard time choosing which student to honor. So you never know who it'll be. So next week is our Student of the Month Assembly, and certificates and the yogurt certificates will be sent home in the mail.
And we're going to have a special surprise for them next week.
That is right. We may have a special visitor.
But you won't know until you watch
You'll have to
next
tune in next week. Little teaser for you.
Well, guess what? That's all. I think we did our longest assembly and our shortest assembly back to back in the same month. And guess what? It's the shortest month.
That's right.
But it's not the longest month. But it's the shortest month with the shortest assembly.
There you go.
All right. I was trying to make a connection, but then I realized we had a long and short. Long and short. Okay, boys and girls. Well, it is time to get some stretches. So, everybody, walk it out. And reach for the ceiling or the sky if you're outside. And touch your toes, touch your toes, touch your toes. Oh, that feels good. And come back up. And arms out. Roll them back. 2, 3, 4, 5. And roll them forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And run. Oh, sorry, I got a little excited running. Oh, okay, back to. And big breath in. And out. One more in. And out. And in. 1. Oh, I forgot to roll her head, because make sure you don't roll it too fast or it might fall off. Okay. Now, what happened?
I said, woo!
Oh, woo! Okay. In 1, 2, 3, up. And again in 1, 2, 3, up. Okay. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Oh.
I'm ready.
Oh, the letters are they're out of order. Right.
I don't know who put them out of order.
I don't know. Let's see. Gotta put them the right.
Do you guys know who put them out of order? If you do,
I'm not pointing any fingers. Probably should have done that ahead of time. Sorry. All right, I think we're ready.
Okay, here we go. In 1, 2, 3, I can and I will have pride in myself and my school. I can and I will have a positive attitude. I can and I will make wise choices. I can and I will act safely. I can and I will. I can and I will. I can and I will. Make it a great day, boys and girls. Make it a great week. You got this. You go, girl. You go, boy. We will see you all ready to learn later today, but also on Monday. Bye.